Hi, my name is Vincent Opare Asare-Manu, and I just graduated this summer with a master's in manufacturing engineering at the University of Texas Sugar Valley, and I have been doing my research with the Addo 40. My research involves the development of machine learning algorithm for the decaking of powder bed additive manufacturing processes through computer vision systems, specifically image segmentation. During my time at the Addo 40, I've had the opportunity to author a peer-reviewed paper for the ASME 2023 International Design Engineering Technical Conference. I also had the opportunity to present my research work to very key stakeholders in manufacturing, including the Undersecretary of Defense and the reps from Oak Ridge, Los Alamos, and Idaho National Labs through 2022 and 2023 National Manufacturing Expo. To me, Addo 40 is a research consortium that provides the platform to practice and appreciate more theoretical knowledge that is being offered in class. We, the students, get to have access to a wide range of equipment from high-end 3D printers and scanners, different eye tracking technologies, and robotic arms. I will be starting my PhD in industrial engineering at Penn State this fall, and I'm grateful to Dr. Lee, the College of Engineering and Computer Science, the U.S. Department of Defense, DoD STEM, and the Addo 40 for the opportunities. Thank you for your time and visa.